Yo, what's up? Good morning! It's beautiful hot day in Bali and it's 8:30 at morning. Winnie is already in office and I'm heading to Sanur, have my morning coffee, edit the video, and today I will try to show you how it looks in Sanur for full entire day. That's why I'm taking car, I took my drone, loads of gear, and I will hoping around Sanur and we will see how is the situation today. Been many times from many different perspectives, so stay tuned, guys.
Where did we go wrong? Could we ever change this song into something beautiful, like the beauty that we've seen? I'm asking you, lover, why do you have to be so mean? You're the only one who sees right through me. And when I call you on my knees, I'm asking you, lover, we can do better than this.
Just arrived to my usual morning coffee spot in Lila Cafe in Sanur. Really like it. Have a mornings over here. And anyway, as you can see, I'm the second customer, 9:20 p.m. It took me quite a long time actually to arrive here. Well, I will edit now video having a coffee and then I will show you more. However, as you can see, I just want to show you at morning because usually I'm afternoon. At morning is really not much difference is happening here. But it's good to be here anyway.
Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played for you, and how I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong. There's a light and there's a fire coming out of me every time I see one's a destroyer and one is a warrior, fighting hard to be the better part of me, the better part of me. Another day, another rhyme, trying to sugarcoat and reconcile.
Alright, so it's 1:30 p.m. I think so, yeah, 1:30 p.m. It's lunchtime. And this is mostly how I have it. Every morning I have coffee, editing video, and then I having lunch around 1-2 o'clock. And this is a brand new warung kettle. This is the young brother, bigger brother of the warung kettle in Sanur, next to the Sol in the Ball, Massimo area, Lila actually, where I was passing this morning. And they opened it 11th of September. They have a great food, great drinks. Actually they ran out of Coca-Cola, could you imagine? But I can forgive them. They order, I already asked them. After last week I'm here every single day, sitting in different areas. They have 2 floors, restaurant, big parking area. It's next to the main road, as you see. Very great place, great food. I will show you a few shots. And that's the place where I have a daily lunch, and it's quite a lot of local people here. Local and foreigners is cheap. I have to say, it's cheap for $3-4. You can have a full meal with drink, so up to $5 actually. So it's pretty cool, pretty good. Recommend it to everyone, and it's not paid advertising. I just like the place, like everywhere actually. My food arrived. As you see, that's the bacon, lettuce, tomato, avocado, panini with salad and some cassava chip. Unfortunately, they don't giving this with French fries. So, yeah, and the watermelon juice. As you see, all this set is about $4.50 American dollar. With Coke will be cheaper. Unfortunately, sold out. And also, you can have a nasi campur. Mostly I eat nasi campur, but I cannot eat nasi campur without Coke, so must be something Western. Very nice, already tried a few times before anyway. Enjoy. Right, so I just had the lunch. As you saw, actually I spent some time drinking coffee and talking with my friend. 3:30 p.m. Sanur Sagara Ayu beach area. This is when you hit McDonald's and you go straight till the ocean. It's very low tide now. We'll try to make a few shots by drone, heading to Grand Ina Hotel in Sanur. This is the one of the first, I think it's the first hotel in Sanur, or one of the very first, at least the most biggest and more luxury hotel at this time. That was in 1970s at the beginning, I think maybe exactly 1970. However, a 50 years old hotel now. Was the fire last time over there. Not much happened, but was the fire. There are villas, bungalows over here. yeah, we'll see how it looks, the things over here. Not much is happening. However, in the Grand Inn bungalows, I think you can rent this monthly now, and some local family living also over here. If you can see behind me, the beach is very quiet over here anyway.
I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart.
Yeah, about the hotel, I just remember somebody told me some long time ago, some local person told me is that was really luxury prestigious hotel in Sanur. That was the time when nothing was in Kuta yet. However, the hotel from the past 50 years, it's actually not much changed inside, just very slight renovations, but it's very old school inside. Never been there, however, I saw pictures. It's quite cheap, 500k per night or 600 in normal conditions. Now probably even cheaper. Used to be 5-star hotel, now it's 3 or 4-star hotel. They just lose the stars. However, I strongly believe some of you who watching us, you've been in the hotel long time ago or in the short term ago. You can comment below. I'm very curious about your experience. And as you can see, this is the wedding chapel, this one, and the beach and the speedboats over here, and the path one side and other side. Not much is happening, right?
You've heard so many stories, but now you know that all you have are worries. They come and go. That talk about silver linings is just pretend. When your heart is slowly dying until the end, when everything falls into pieces and you have wasted every teardrop, as it seems for no good reason, give me something to believe in. I'll be your comfort and preserver, and I'll wipe away your teardrops when the night is getting darker. You don't have to struggle harder.
And this is the private helipad for the Grand Inn Hotel Resort, and docks also for the boat. However, as you can see, that's the very old place, and I don't really think so in the past few years any helicopter was landing here. However, I think I will use it to fly my drone and land and start from here. At least it's helipad, so I hope so will be no problems. I will don't fly over the hotel, so should be fine.
Thought that you could handle any firestorm, but deep down every battle will do you harm. All the walls and all the ceilings will fall apart.
this is the hotel, and here there's some people, local Balinese people praying between this boat. And there is the guy. He used to go take the holy water from the ocean. I mean, the priest will make it holy water from that. Very nice. I make a zoom and showed you. I don't want to go there and disturb them. It's very quiet, and I don't think so as they will be. They want me to disturb them just to make a video. Have to appreciate, but very nice. Often it's happening in this area of Sanur. This is the hotel. It's super windy, and when I was flying drone and saw these people praying on the beach, I just remind one story what was in the local TV about the one very rich Balinese guy. That's the very motivational story about that was the very young boy from North Bali a long time ago. I don't know how many years ago, about 30 years ago. A young boy from the Singaraja, North Bali, and he comes from the very poor family in North Bali, and he comes to Denpasar for better life. Still people doing this anyway, but the times are much more different and more difficult than before. And he used to sleep on the rice fields and drinking water from the rice field, just sleeping somewhere on the road, eating fruits from the trees for 2 weeks. Could you imagine that? But was very desperate, very young fella. And then he arrived to this place, to Sanur, to this hotel. It was a freshly built hotel, very premium luxury hotel. So that's been maybe even 40 years ago. He's about 60 now. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's say in 80s. And he came to this hotel, and for 2 years he asked for the job. They didn't give him job because he was poor. Sorry to say, but he was really poor. He didn't have money for the nice clothes and anything. He didn't have a bike to travel. He didn't have the place to stay. So he asked for the job, and the owner of somebody like a high-end manager give him job to be a cleaning boss, the owner or the boss of the hotel management car. So he cleaned the car for 2 years every day and sleep in the security guy house, security guy, the small shed. Could you imagine that for 2 years? And then after 2 years, when he already saved enough money to buy the proper clothes, bike, to move, to looks like a person with the experience and with qualification, like he could get a job. He got a job in one printing shop in Denpasar. Could you imagine that? He was very good and he was smart guy. And I will make it short because I already see 3 minutes talking, not so he get a job in the printing shop. For another 2 years in the printing shop, he opened his own printing shop. You see, 4 years, and he from nothing he go already up. Now this is the one of the richest Balinese guy in Bali. He owns many fancy sport cars like Lamborghini. He is famous in Bali for owning quite many Lamborghini cars. He owned one shop with the accessories, like a merchandise shop, like when you buy the magnets, t-shirts, coffee, stuff like this from Bali. So he owned one of the biggest brand of this shop in Bali. I don't want to really talk who is it and what's the name of the brand. However, if you are familiar, you already know. But that's not the point. The point is, as he made this, he made from the very poor guy, young boy from poor family, he achieved something as he's on the top. Very motivational speech. And in this time, at this point, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, like always, my vlog. Like always, something new every day at 7 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Stay safe, stay positive. See you tomorrow. See ya, guys. Take care.